Hello once again, I'm Doc Mats. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel provides good vibes themes for awareness campaign on importance of mental health during this pandemic. It's important for me to choose less crowded places like this one because after 2 years of being in the four corners of my house, I believe I need to thrive with it and accept that the situation is turning from pandemic to endemic. What do we mean about endemic? What does pandemic means? Pandemic means the disease will constantly present. As experts say, COVID-19 is here to stay, so as I've said, I need to thrive with the situation and learn to live with the utmost caution like wearing face masks and social distancing. Now, we dropped by in this place for lunch after an appointment. One of our favorite unlimited chicken wings wherein they serve the best part that we love the most. That's it.